Hello everyone, welcome back. It is currently Sunday and I am back with another video for you guys today. I hope that you all enjoyed your holiday weekend and had a great Thanksgiving with your family, with your friends, or whoever you celebrated with that day. I know it was really good for me and I hope that it was great for you guys as well. As you can see, since Thanksgiving has passed, I have broken out the Christmas tree for the piggy room. And it's just been like up there on that shelf all year long, but I decided to make it visible now since it is actually Christmas time. So it's just a regular little silver Christmas tree with some pink decorations, and it has some colored lights too, but I still have to find an extension cord so I can connect it and light it up. And it also has some really cute, extremely adorable hedgehog decorations that my boyfriend's mom got me last year for Christmas, and they are so adorable. I absolutely love them. So yeah, thanks to her so much if she's watching this. I absolutely adore the decorations. So yeah, I have 3 little hedgies on my tree, again, to feed my hedgehog obsession. So yeah, this is where all the pet presents will go underneath as soon as they arrive. I've ordered a few and I think I've gone a little bit crazy this year, but they totally deserve it, and I'll probably do a special Christmas special with the piggies opening their presents on Christmas, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright, so now moving on to the actual video. Today I'm just going to be making a short video on some natural treat options that you can get for your guinea pigs and rabbits in particular in the US and in Canada. Other places like the United Kingdom have a wide variety of natural treats. They have the Woodlands range, the Burgess Excel, they also have the Naturals range, and in the US we pretty much have nothing that compares to that we can find in pet stores. However, after doing a lot of research, I have found some online shops that do have some natural treat options that compare to the Burgess, to the Woodlands range, and to the Naturals that are available in the US and for Canada, and I'm just going to talk about those a little bit today. Natural treats are the best option for your guinea pig, rabbit, or any small animal because it's something that you find naturally. It doesn't have any preservatives or any harmful ingredients to them, and overall they like them a lot more than those that you can get at the pet store that are colorful and have all sorts of different things in them that they really don't need. I have found 3 shops that do sell natural treats for guinea pigs, rabbits, and for other small animals too. 2 of these are in the US and 1 of them is in Canada, so that you guys in Canada too will have some options without having to pay the ridiculous amounts of shipping for getting them shipped from the UK or from the US. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. Before I move on, I do want to just say a disclaimer first. These products that I feature in my video have been purchased with my own money. Nobody has paid me to talk about them or anything, and it's also not a shop that I have, so please no rude comments. I'm just actually talking about some products that my guinea pigs have really liked, and I think that I should share my knowledge with other people so that they have the option of getting these for their pets as well. Alright, so the first online shop that sells products for both guinea pigs and rabbits that I have found is the Food for Buns shop. They're located in California, if I'm not mistaken. You can Google them, and I'll also put the link in the down bar so you can check it out if you want to. They do have a few options of products available for your guinea pig and rabbits, but these are the 2 ones that I have tried in particular. The first one here, if it'll focus, is a potpourri with herbs, and I think it is the 8 ounce if I'm not mistaken. And the other one is the potpourri with flowers, which is 8 ounces as well. I think it says 8 there, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's 8. Besides the potpourri herb and flower mixes that I have here, they do have the individual leaves available for sale as well. They have dandelion salads only if you want. They have fennel they have nettle, they have plantain leaves, so they have a bunch of different options. I just decided to buy the mix since I didn't know which ones, which leaves or flowers my pigs would like in particular, so I decided to mix it all in and see which ones they picked out of it so I could determine which ones they liked the best. Alright, so here is their website. As you can see, the website is super adorable. I love their color scheme, the pink and the green everywhere. And if you just go here to flowers, you'll see all the flower options, the flower mixes that they have available. Right here, if we zoom in, you can see on this page, they have different ounce options. They have marigold, they have chamomile, they have hibiscus, I'm pretty sure they have rose hips as well, and just a bunch of different options. And you can also go here to the herb option. And right there you can see that they have the dandelion leaf salad, which my piggies really like, the dandelions. They have some dill seeds, they have some other type of herbs as well. If we move to the second page, you can see they have fennel, they have nettle leaves, and the last page they have plantain leaves, raspberry leaves as well. And yeah, there's a bunch of different options of ones that you can try for your guinea pigs or other small animals. And over here, if you click on the potpourri herbs, you get what I have, which is just a mixture of all of them that comes in the little bag I showed you. And you have the different ounce options, and you can get the potpourri mixes for the flowers and for the herbs. So yeah, there's a lot of different options, and the shipping is really reasonable too. I think it was maybe $2.50 for one of these bags, so that's pretty good. It's not overly expensive and you won't break the bank. Now the second online shop that I've found that has lots of natural goodies for your rabbits and guinea pigs and chinchillas and small herbivores is, if we zoom in here, Bunny Bunch Boutique, and they're also located in California as well. I have not ordered from here before, but I did order a few Christmas goodies for my guinea pigs, so you'll definitely be seeing those in my little Christmas special I'll be posting. But here's the link if you guys want it. I'll put it in the down bar for you guys to check out. And as you can see, they have a treat option right here, which you can click. And as you can see, they have organic hibiscus crunch, willow leaf goodies, and they also have some natural cookies that they make with natural ingredients as well for your pet. And they also sell some of the Oxbow stuff too if you're interested. So yeah, I did not buy any of these goodies, of these treats for Christmas, but I did buy a lot of their toys since they do have a lot of cool toys available. And I was running out of toy options to get for my guinea pigs since the ones at pet stores are pretty much the same and they have like loads of them already. So I decided to try something a little bit different. So stay tuned for my Christmas special, which will feature all the stuff that I got from this website for them. And the last option of places, online stores that have natural treats and goodies for your guinea pigs, rabbits, and including small rodents in this one is, if we zoom in here, Bobby's Bunny Boutique. Now I do plan to order from this website in a little bit because they do have the, if we can zoom here, products from the Naturals wood range that is available in the UK, and I have been dying to try those products for a really long time. Right now I just clicked on the For Your Bunny link, and they have salad sticks. They also have some Boredom Breakers toys, which I really like the look of and have wanted to try with my guinea pigs for a long time. They have some breakfast cookies, carrot and cranberry slices, carroties, and just a bunch of options. Now if you click here on For the Rodents link, it has a lot of goodies and toys as well that are from available in the UK, which you can't get here in the US. As you can see, it has a lot of natural looking toys. Again, a lot of naturals products from the naturals range, and just really good option. It even has a few little Christmas ones available. And the shipping from here is not too bad at all. Even if you're shipping it to the UK, to the US, it's better than getting these shipped from the UK, which will be a lot more expensive. So I would suggest that you go check out this website as well. Again, the name is Bobby's Bunny Boutique, and I'll put the link in the down bar as well so you can go and check it out. Oh, and here's one of the cute little Christmas ones. I'm definitely getting one of these for my small pets because they look really nice. Now, before you actually go online and start splurging on the naturals products for your pets, like I would do, I would suggest that you read the label and see what they're made of first and stick to the most natural looking ones, because these are a lot more natural than others that you would find at the pet store, but they're not as natural as dandelion salads or herb salads or flower salads or just salad mixes like that and herb mixes. They are man-made and are made out of natural products, but some of them do have stuff that your animals really don't need. I've seen that some of them have like egg products, which guinea pigs and rabbits really don't need. Others have seeds, which are okay for smaller rodents like hamsters and stuff like that, but not really for guinea pigs and rabbits, as seeds can be a choking hazard. So I would recommend that you look through the labels and stick to the most natural looking ones that are made out of the most natural ingredients like herbs and things like that. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Those were my suggestions of online shops that I have found that sell natural edibles. Oh, that's so cute! For your guinea pigs, rabbits, and some other small animals. Since we don't have many natural range of products in the US as they do in the UK and other places in the world. And here are my piggies eating some of the potpourri herb mix from Food for Buns, and as you can see, they absolutely love it and go crazy for it. Here we have Aries and Nimbus, and they're happily munching away, and they absolutely love it, and they love the flower one too. And let's go to the top pigs. Hey, no fighting. And they're fighting for it too, even though they have a whole other bowl over here with the same stuff. Hey, what was that? Come on, you can share here. Oh dear. So yeah, you can see that they really like them and are gobbling it right up. And they really enjoy the flower one too. So yeah, I think that these are great treat options for your guinea pigs and rabbits as well. Well, now that I'm at it, I guess I can show you the cages quickly this week. As you can see, this area is the same. They have their cupcake fleece, a little cardboard tube there, and I had to change this because they would just be staring at each other since they could see the other one in the demolished twig hut, which I have right here, as you can see, and that would instigate a lot of fights between them. So I decided to use this one since they can get in and the other pig that is here or here can't really see them. So hopefully that goes well. It's been okay so far. And right here they just have their Jen's Custom Crafts huts. So here's the overview on the top cage and some munching piggies. And down here I just have cupcake fleece, same huts, a tunnel, and this area is pretty much the same. And as you can see, they're still gobbling that up. They absolutely love it. So yeah, I don't feed it that often because I just tend to forget about it, but it's a great option for your guinea pigs and other small animals. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And I also hope that you enjoyed the last video of Ghost, my foster pig that I posted. He's doing fantastic in his new home, and his two new mommies absolutely love him to pieces. It's always hard to let go of a foster because you just want to keep them, but it's totally worth it when you see the faces of the two little girls that adopted him that just lit up and they absolutely loved him. So it is definitely really rewarding and really worth it. So yeah, and I guess that's what I have for now. This was like an update video in addition to the treat video as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna cut this right now. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will be doing the few video requests that I have in the next few days. So feel free to request as well if you have any videos you would like me to make. So thanks for much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!